If I got paid $1 for every time someone said, there's no more products to sell on Amazon, it's too competitive, I can't find a product, I'd be making millions of dollars. So what I want to do in today's video is to get rid of that excuse and show you an exact step-by-step strategy on how I just found 4 products in 10 minutes. And no, this is no BS, this is not clickbait. I will show you the exact products, the exact strategy. So if you guys are excited, go down and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. And for those that don't know who I am, my name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller. And if you guys don't believe me, let's dive into my seller account and show you guys that what I teach is what I implement in my own FBA business. So right here in my seller account, as you guys can see, I've done just over $2,200 for the day, and in the last 30 days I've done just over $100,000. So again, if you guys are new, go subscribe to the channel, get excited because I'm going to be breaking down step by step how to do product research. Let's dive into it. Okay, so let's dive into my screen and let's break down this step-by-step strategy on how to find products. But first, let's do some product research 101. The key of product research is finding a product that's in demand with low competition. You've probably heard it a million times, but the question is, what is a product that's in demand and what is a product that's low competition? So I want to show you guys exactly how to do that. And the first thing that we need to get is Helium 10. If you guys don't know what Helium 10 is, it's a software tool that's going to basically help you break down the data, get the keywords and the information that you need in order to basically know, okay, is this product in demand, or is it too competitive, or is it demand and there's low competition? So that's what this is going to do. And I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll drop it down below. It's AMZ Champions 50. You'll get the platinum plan, which will be $48.50 for the first month. It's 50% off, so normally it's $100. So I'll drop that coupon code down below. You can click on the link. It will come to right here, build your Amazon business today and claim your offer. But the tools that we're going to be using is called Blackbox, Cerebro, and then we're also going to be using the X-Ray Chrome extension. So all of those tools are included in the platinum plan, so you guys need to get that for these strategies. But let's jump back into Helium 10 and I'll show you guys kind of the dashboard and how to use these different tools. So the first tool that we're going to use is called Blackbox. So you're going to come over here and you're going to go to product research. You're going to hit Blackbox. It's going to take you to the different kind of categories that they have. They have products, keywords, competitors, the niche, the product targeting. We're going to be using the keywords tab. And this is something that not a lot of people talk about, and I actually haven't made a video on this, so I'm really excited to share with you how to basically do product research by using this keywords tab. It's incredible with what it does. I mean, I'm blown away how easy it was for me to find products. So click on that keywords tab. So you're in Blackbox keyword tab. And then what you're going to do is there's different filters and different criterias that you can go and mess around with. And that's the cool part about this is there's no right or wrong way. But I'm going to show you kind of the filters that I put in there to find the keywords and the products that I'm going to show you that have potential to sell on Amazon. So search volume is important because obviously Amazon is a search engine. People go to Amazon with the intent to buy and they have a keyword in their head and they go and they type it in and boom, they find 20 different products that are related to that keyword. So that's the goal with product research, is finding products that have good keywords that are being searched but with low competition. So what we're going to do is the search volume, we're gonna say the minimum is 1,000 and the max is 4,000. And again, there's no right or wrong. You could do 500 searches to 20,000. You could do 5,000 searches to 25,000. This is just something that I put in and I had some good luck with it. So that's the search volume. Then we're going to go to the monthly revenue. I don't really care about that. The price, I'm going to put $10 to $35. And this is something that you can kind of mess around with. If you have a bigger budget, then you may want to play around with the price at a higher price point, because the bigger the budget you have, the higher price point of a product that you can sell, if that makes sense. So if you have a smaller budget, then you can only sell products that are not as expensive, because if they're cheaper products to sell, that means they're cheaper products to source. So that's something that you can play around with the price. And then the review count, this is where it's going to help us basically know, okay, is this product too competitive or not? So the reviews is super important. So I'm gonna put the max reviews at 75. And then I'm gonna come down to the categories, and I'm gonna select a category, and I'm going to do, let's do home and kitchen. And after that, I'm gonna hit search. Now, there's a ton of different filters that you can go through. You can change the variation count. You can put keyword search, exclude keywords. I mean, there's so many different things that you can go into and have fun with, and basically not just do exactly what I did, but kind of add your own twist to it. So that's what's kind of cool with this, is you can find a bunch of different products that not everyone else is finding, as long as you just kind of adapt and kind of adjust the search criteria. So after I do that, I'm gonna hit search. And it's gonna pull up 200 plus products found with these different keywords that fit that criteria, between 1,000 searches to 4,000. The average price is from $10 to $35. The review count is average of 75, and that's what's going to show all right here. So this is, I'm telling you guys, I'm really excited to show you this because I was blown away with how easy it is to find products using this tool. So the first thing, you're just gonna start scrolling down, and you're just going to kind of scroll and see what catches your attention. And the first thing that caught mine was the tall pampas grass. And the reason being is my wife was talking about this and like, I can't find this anywhere except for on Etsy, and it doesn't sell anywhere. And so I'd already been looking at that, but this keyword tool actually found this keyword, and so I was like, oh wait, this could have potential. So I've heard this before, but I didn't really dive into much at depth. But I'm going to copy this, I'm going to go to Amazon, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to search it. And once I search it, I'm going to use the X-Ray Chrome extension. So you hit that, you hit X-Ray Amazon product research, and you're going to see that the search volume is 1,100, so that fits my criteria, between 1,000 searches to 4,000. The average reviews on this keyword is 46, so that's even lower than the 75 that I put in. And as you guys can see, we have sellers doing 15,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,900. The average revenue is 2,600. So there are sellers doing really, really well with this product, and it's a new product that, I mean, as you can see, the average reviews is super low, and there's not that many people selling it. So that is an awesome product idea right there that literally took me a matter of seconds to find. And then what we do from there is we're going to verify it a little bit deeper. So no, we're not just going to look at the one keyword that they recommend. We're gonna dive into more data, and that's when Helium 10 Cerebro comes into play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the top ASINs right here. So this one's for 15,000. They're doing 15,000 a month. So I'm going to come right here, copy this ASIN. This one is doing 3,900. I'm going to copy that ASIN. This one's doing 6,400. I'm going to copy that ASIN, and I'm going to plug that into Cerebro. So I already did that. I'm going to hit get keywords. Then we have again the filters that we're going to put in. And I'm going to put the minimum search volume of 300. The position rank, I want to see where it's organically ranked. So I'm gonna put from basically 0 to 20. And then the word count, I don't have anything. The match type, I'm gonna put organic, and then I hit apply. And then I have 103 keywords that is connected to these ASINs. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna filter it from largest to smallest, which I already did. So the first one is dried flowers. I don't know if that's pampas grass. I'm sure there's pampas grass and like dried flowers. So that may not be the best, most targeted keyword, but as you guys can see right here, pampas grass, which is being searched 38,000 times. The competing products is less than 502, and that is being searched an insane amount. So what I did is I came over here and I searched that keyword, and I use the Chrome extension, and boom, 38,000 searches, and the average review is still 57. So there's not a lot of competition, there's a ton of demand, and this is something that perfectly fits our criteria, and also the average price is 20 bucks. So that's a good price point, a lot of demand, low competition. These are the products that we're looking for, and it's because of the Helium 10 suite of tools that helps you find these products, verify them, and validate them to help you know, okay, this is a good product or this is a bad product, and I should just move on to the next one. So that is the first product that I found, and that's how I verify it with Cerebro. It's incredible, and as you guys can see, there's a ton of other keywords. I mean, there's pampas grass decor, there's dried pampas grass. I mean, there are multiple keywords with pampas in it that are being searched 5, 9, 40,000 times. I mean, that is a killer keyword and a potential product that you can start selling. So that is the first product that I found. Let's go back to the black box tool. So I searched the tall pampas grass. Now let's just continue to scroll down and see if there's anything else that catches our attention. One could be the better together sign. So I copied and pasted that into Amazon, and just like that, it has the search volume, but the average reviews is a little high. So I'm like, okay, this could have potential if I improve the product or if I differentiated it enough, but I'm gonna move on because there's more products out there. So I'm just going to close out that tab, and I'm gonna go back to black box and see what else there is. There's tapestry funny, so I could look at that one. I actually didn't look at this one. I'm sure you could look at that one and it could have potential. But this one caught my eye, and it was flat earth map. For all those Kyrie Irving fans that think Kyrie thinks the world is flat, this is for you. But let's come over to Amazon, and flat earth map, it's being searched 1,200 times. Average reviews is 111, which is still really, really good. And you can see that there are some sellers doing really, really well, but the other sellers aren't doing as good. But at the same time, we could dive into a little bit more depth and do the Helium 10 Cerebro, see if there's other keywords that are being searched a little bit more, see how we can improve that product. And that's another potential product. We just need to dive into a little bit more data and do a little bit more research. So let's go back to black box. Now we found almost 3 potential products, one really good one. The flat earth map could be potential. We obviously need to dive into a little bit more, but that's literally been what we've been filming this video for, like 10 minutes, and we've already found that many. So let's keep going and see if there's anything else. This one, I didn't even know how to pronounce it. Selenite plate. I don't know, but I searched it. It caught my attention, and I came to Amazon, I searched it, and it's being searched 1,200 times. Average reviews is not crazy, high 153. And it looks like the price point is pretty good. Average price is $2,300. The average revenue is about $2,000. So this could also be a great potential product. And what's crazy is it's all because of this simple black box tool where I just entered in some different filters. And I'm sure if I was to go adjust this to 6,000 and maybe adjust this review count to 80 or something, there would be even more products. And that was only on the first page. There's how many pages? There's 10 pages of keywords that fit that criteria, and we literally just looked at like 5. So this is super powerful. I don't want you guys to ever say that there's no products to sell, because there's always products. You just need to know what to look for, how to do it, how to verify it, how to break down that data, and you need software tools like Helium 10. So if you guys don't have it yet, use the coupon code down below, AMZ Champions 50. You guys can get the suite of tools for 50% off with that link. Sign up, start doing research, and launch that next product. You guys need to take action, implement what I just taught you, and I look forward to seeing your guys' success. So if you guys enjoyed, like the video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want more help, so like you want me to guide you through the entire process, I do have a full A to Z mentorship program where I break down the steps from A to Z, from creating the account, from finding the product, to sourcing that product, to listing the product, to launching the product, to making money on Amazon. I'll put that in the link down below. It's amzchampions.com. I'd love to have you in as a student, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will talk to you guys soon.